Hi, I'm Schachtner from ReVisionz. Today's hard truth is that asset data is an afterthought. Many companies rely on incomplete or outdated asset information to maintain their assets. You might be familiar with examples like the following. Asset cannot be found in the work order system when you need to record a failure, or there is no bill of materials available to plan the work, or there is no asset management plan to mitigate the risk of failure. Unfortunately, this can result in severe impacts on the bottom line of the company. In some cases, it results in increased maintenance costs or production loss. In other cases, it leads to significant impacts like incidents for safety and environment. Over 70% of the information that a company needs to maintain and operate their assets gets generated during the project phase of the asset. Think about digital data continuity. With the use of data, standards, processes, and systems, this allows you and enables you, from the data is generated, to get it captured and utilized throughout the lifecycle of the asset. Available and trustworthy asset information is at the core of any good asset management system. This will also help you with digital transformation as well as decision making, those important decisions that can result in major incidents.
If you need help prioritizing your asset data, reach out and start a conversation with one of our experts.